When you see her with everything she deserves, just know she prayed, waited, and worked hard for it. When you see her
I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just got
Hi lovelies, how are you guys doing? It's been a while. I greet you guys according to your time. I hope you guys are good. I'm good too. Thank you guys for always checking on me and I appreciate so much. So guys, in this video we are going to be making garlic oil, okay?
Take about half bowl of melted coconut oil.
Hair remedy and hair growth stuff.
Add
okay?
10 to 15 garlic cloves.
And I hope you learned something good today, okay guys?
Heat the oil for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low-medium flame. Let the oil take up all the goodness of garlic. Instead of using whole garlic cloves, you can crush them to paste and use. Garlic and coconut oil are amazing ingredients for hair growth. They work together to boost hair growth. Coconut oil deeply penetrates and conditions the hair. This solution helps with the regeneration of dormant hair follicles. Turn off the heat and let the oil cool down. Once the oil has cooled, strain it, and it is ready to use. Garlic oil massage helps in improving the circulation of blood to the scalp, which ultimately leads to better nourishment, and hence better health of hair. Also, oil provides good lubrication to the hair, thereby checking and reducing the damage. Garlic has a high content of minerals like calcium, zinc, and sulfur, which are essential for hair growth. Garlic has an element called selenium, which loads up your hair with all the vitamin E that it needs. This prevents hair breakage, thus improving the overall health of your hair. Using garlic oil for hair helps it grow stronger because of all the sulfur that's in it. Sulfur is really important when it comes to hair care, as it acts as a building block for keratin, which is basically the nutrient that makes your hair grow. It helps calm aggravated scalp and treats issues such as dandruff. Garlic is highly enriched with vitamin C, which is great for the health of your hair. It boosts collagen production, which helps with hair growth. Coconut oil is known to be an excellent hair conditioner. It possesses best moisture retaining capacity, as compared to any other oil. Coconut oil not only cleanses, but also moisturizes your scalp. It easily penetrates into your scalp, and stimulates the growth of hair follicles. There you have it, try this home remedy, and tell us about your experience. Then, dab some oil, and start to gently massage your scalp with it. Massaging your scalp with this oil will improve blood circulation on your scalp, thereby stimulating fast hair growth. Let the oil sit for about 30 minutes. Repeat this 2 times a week for best results. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.